Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nate's Food Reviews. And I noticed a couple of you asking about all this stuff up here. I have a couple water bottles because I haven't cleaned it up yet. And this is a soda. This one is a new one. I cleaned up the other one. This is a new soda, and then I got Pop-Tarts because I get hungry a lot. So that clears that up because I've been noticing questions about that. But today, we're going to be food reviewing some special items. Today I have an applesauce packet, Kirkland organic applesauce, gluten-free and no sugar added. And also, we're going to be trying this Bongo Racing Danimals cotton candy. Today's sort of like a kids episode. So what to try first? We're gonna try the applesauce first. I know what applesauce tastes like, but I've just never had this brand. I heard different brands taste different, you know, all that jazz. It tastes like shit. It tastes like literal shit. Nice. I've never tasted something worse in my life. Well, that was ash. I didn't like that one bit. It left a bad taste in my mouth. It was very chunky. And I didn't like it. Like, they didn't even bother to mush the apple. So guys, I also have a question to add you missed mid-video. Should I grow out my hair? Right? Listen. Grow out my hair. Dye it green. You know, I used to have green hair. I might have a picture around here somewhere of my old school ID. Is that it down there? That quite possibly could be it. No, that's my this school year ID. Well, I used to have green hair, right? So should I grow out my hair, my green hair, and get dreads? That would be funny, right? That would be really funny. Really funny. Well then, to the Danimals. I heard you gotta shake these before you eat them. Alright, let's get right into this. There's a bubble on the top. Pop the bubble. Smells meh. Wish me luck. Don't mind all that. It's my clothes. Just got out of the wash. You know, it's really creamy. Really thick. Smooth, but creamy and really thick. Almost feels like drinking peanut butter. It doesn't even taste like cotton candy, though. It tastes more strawberry-ish. It was horrible. I can't see why anyone would drink that. I need to wash that down. I won't put hot sauce in this one. Quite delicious red cranberry. Now, Instagram should be set up by the next video. No, it'll be set up by this one, if I'm thinking correctly. Yeah, it should be set up by this one, maybe. It might be in the description, it might not. Don't hope for it, don't expect it to be there. It might be there, it might not, who knows. Thank you all for watching. Yeah. Like the video, subscribe, hit the bell. Comment what I should review next. I've been seeing comments like a Taco Bell. That is going to be a fun review. I won't do it in public, because whenever I'm in public, I'm with my family, and I don't want to record in front of them. So, yeah. So, like, maybe I'll review leftover Buffalo Wild Wings or something like that. But, yeah. Thank you for watching. Peace out.